morning.
Can I take you into the place?
Yes.
What is your name?
My name is Devan Dilip Rodekne.
What is your father name?
My father name is Dilip Rao.
What is your mother name?
My mother name is Sangeeta.
What is your brother name?
My brother name is Pranay.
What is your sister name?
My sister name is Chaitali.
What is your surname?
My surname is Dekne.
What is your school name?
My school name is JP Primary School, Narsinghpur.
What is your headmaster name?
My headmaster name is Mr. Saurava.
What is your class teacher name?
My class teacher name is Miss Maithili ma'am.
Which is your favorite color?
My favorite color is red.
Which is your favorite dish?
My favorite dish is samosa.
Oh wow! Which is your favorite song?
My favorite song is Vande Mataram.
Which is your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is cow.
Which is your favorite bird?
My favorite bird is eagle.
Which is your favorite flower?
My favorite flower is lotus.
Which is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is math.
Which is your favorite game?
My favorite game is kabaddi.
Who is your favorite hero?
My favorite hero is Lokmanya Tilak.